right, today is World Pediatric Bone and Joint Day, and to help with diagnosing and treating the bones in our little ones, CHKD has developed a Center for Bone Health. They've got a team of healthcare providers to help your growing children. Here to talk more about the Center for Bone Health is one of CHKD's sports medicine and orthopedic surgeons, Dr. Allison Tenfeld. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
All right, didn't even know there was a World Pediatric Bone and Joint Day, but you know, it comes as a good time because we're a year into this new center that was formed over at CHKD. So tell us, you know, did we know this was a huge problem that you had to open a center like this to focus on the issue?
I think it's a problem because there isn't another place for kids who have problems with their bone health to go. A lot of times they get seen in orthopedic offices, their primary care doctors, and get kind of shuffled around from specialist to specialist. So it's nice that we have a place that kids can come to when they're having problems with their bone health.
And so what are some of the issues that kids are facing right now when they don't have proper bone health?
Well, there's kids who have metabolic disorders like rickets or osteogenesis imperfecta, some other metabolic problems that can cause fragility of the bones. And then there's just kids who are otherwise healthy kids running around playing, and they have multiple fractures, and that really is distressing to parents. So this, instead of going to your normal doctor and getting the normal diagnosis, this center specializes in anything that has to do with that. It does, but we do require you to go to your doctor and get a referral.
And then you refer there, just like when you go to see a specialist at any point. So what are some of the things that parents really can do in terms of making sure their child is bone healthy?
Well, the things that I think are most important are, one, making sure that your child has enough calcium in their diet. And I really like for kids to get calcium in their diet as opposed to taking a pill. It's just better absorbed that way. They also need to have adequate vitamin D, get enough exercise, and really just take good care of themselves.
So, you know, when you said instead of a pill, so what would they take? So you mean milk? Those type of things?
Milk, dairy products, green leafy vegetables have calcium in them. That's how cows get calcium in their milk, is by eating grass. So
so would you tell parents who have kids that are playing sports to pay particular attention to their child with in terms of bone health?
I think that's important. I think it's really important for all of us to take care of our bones.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Doctor. A year in to this new section that you all have at CHKD for parents to take their children to and to make sure that they're bone healthy. All right. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you, Andre.